How to add two videos together in one frame on CapCut. So for us to get this done, it's actually pretty easy. I have this project opened right here, and the first thing that I'm going to do is change the aspect ratio. Now to do that, you have it here down below. If you don't see it, you can just go ahead and scroll this one down here, and you should be seeing the aspect ratio. So just go ahead and click that one. And then there are different aspect ratios here that we could use. Say for example, if we are into Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok, then we can just go ahead and choose this one right here. Now after doing so, go ahead and click that check button down below, and then we can go ahead and rearrange this one. So to do that, just go ahead and click your clip, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it up, and basically using my fingers, I'm just going to go ahead and rearrange it the way I want to. Say for example, something like that. Now the next thing that we are going to do is basically tap somewhere over here, and then we can basically go ahead and add an overlay. Now to do that, you have it here down below. So go ahead and click overlay, and then make sure, by the way, that your playhead is at the beginning, and then click add overlay, and then go ahead and choose which video or something you want to add. For example, this one right here, I can just go ahead and select this one and then click the add button. Now you should be seeing your video here. Go ahead and use your two fingers and basically rearrange this the way you want to. For example, I'm just going to do it this way right here, and then if I'm going to go ahead and play this, say for example, I'm going to tap the play button here just like so. You'll be seeing that now we have two videos playing simultaneously. And then at the end, you want to make sure that you cut this at the part where you want to do so. For example, in my case, it ends here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click the other one, the one at the top, and then choose split. And then I'm going to delete this one, and yeah, basically they end now at the same time. So yeah, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.